Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will perform a thorough review and repair of the Dyson HD hairdryer. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush for cleaning, and a multimeter for electrical diagnostics. Once you have your tools ready, start by unplugging the hairdryer to ensure safety. Next, examine the outer casing for any visible screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Make sure to keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. After removing the screws, gently detach the outer casing. Be cautious as there might be clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. Once the casing is off, you will see the internal components, including the heating element and the motor. Now, let's inspect for any dust buildup or debris inside. Using your soft brush, gently clean around the fan and heating element. If you find significant debris, this could be the reason for poor performance. Next, we will check the electrical connections. Using a multimeter, test the continuity of the wires leading to the motor. If you suspect any damaged wires, they will need to be replaced. If you find this daunting, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once you have completed the electrical checks, reassemble the device by reversing the steps. Before securing the outer casing, plug in the dryer to test its functionality. If it runs smoothly, proceed to reattach the casing with the screws you set aside earlier. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing these repairs, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of calls or travel. We also ensure you receive a quote before any repair is made, so you know what to expect. Finally, after ensuring everything is securely in place and functioning, give your Dyson HD hairdryer one last clean to maintain its appearance. This simple maintenance can prolong the life of your dryer and improve its performance. Thank you for following along with this guide. By taking these steps, you can effectively maintain and repair your Dyson HD hairdryer, ensuring it stays in top condition. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.